Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. So the first step is to make the white side, which you can probably easily do by yourself, but all the colors have to match going around. And for the next step, we have to solve the top, and in this case, you hold it like this and do this algorithm, but it's where these two dots and these two are sticking out. You turn the right side up and turn the top, or turn the right side back down, put this piece in the back, turn the right side up, turn the top twice, and turn the right side down. So if there's like a line like this, you hold it on the right side and do that same thing. So turn the right side up, turn the top, turn the right side back down, put this piece in the back, turn the right side up, turn the top twice, and turn it back down. So if there's nothing, then you can just hold it from wherever and do the algorithm. So there's another line, so I can do that. Okay, so if there's a dot, you hold it on the bottom left and do the same algorithm. Okay, so now we got the top solved, and you have to look for a bar to see if any of this is solved. But it's not, so we have to do this algorithm. Okay, so right side down, the bottom to the right side back down, the top twice, the right side up, the bottom back down, the right side back down, the top twice, and the right side twice. Okay, so now we've created this, and we have to do that same thing again. Okay, so now the cube is solved, and I'll go through that one more time just to make sure that you remember it. So the first step is to make the first layer, and then next is to recognize what case you have and do the algorithm that I taught you. Next is check to see if there are any bars, which there is, and hold it like this and do the algorithm. And now your cube is solved, and now you know how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube.